Imagine turning a single prompt into a complete YouTube video with AI, script, voiceover, visuals, subtitles, even background music. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today I'm reviewing AI Long Video Creator, a brand new AI tool that claims to generate complete long-form videos with scripts, AI visuals, voiceovers, subtitles, and background music in just a few clicks. Plus, when you purchase through my link, you'll receive my exclusive bonuses absolutely free. Let's jump into the review. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I review the latest AI software, affiliate marketing tools, and online business products to help you decide whether they're actually worth your money. And if you decide to purchase AI Long Video Creator through my link in the description below, you'll receive my exclusive bonus package completely free, including
Bonus number 1, a full digital marketing course. Bonus number 2, DFY YouTube channel setup pack. Bonus number 3, video marketing mystery. Bonus number 4, faceless YouTube automation course. Bonus number 5, top 20 AI tools bundle with direct links.
You'll also get all the official vendor bonuses at no extra cost. Before we get started, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest AI software reviews and exclusive bonus offers. Now, let's jump straight into the review and see what AI Long Video Creator has to offer. What is AI Long Video Creator? AI Long Video Creator is an AI-powered video creation platform designed for creators, marketers, agencies, educators, and business owners. Instead of spending hours writing scripts, recording videos, editing footage, adding subtitles, and creating thumbnails separately, this software aims to automate almost the entire process. According to the sales page, it can create long-form videos using AI-generated scripts, realistic voiceovers, stock visuals, subtitles, background music, and more with very little manual work. Main features. Let's look at some of its key features. AI generates complete long-form video scripts, automatic scene generation, AI voiceovers in multiple languages, auto subtitles and captions, royalty-free images and videos, background music included, one-click video rendering, supports educational videos, tutorials, product reviews, storytelling, documentaries, business presentations, and social media content. Beginner-friendly interface with no video editing experience required. If these features work as advertised, this tool could save creators a significant amount of production time. Demo section, let's see how it actually works.
Hey everyone! If you've been creating AI videos lately, you've probably run into the same problem. Most AI video generators still only give you 5 to 8 second videos at a time. That's exactly the problem we wanted to solve. So, we built a platform that can generate long AI videos from a single prompt using technologies like Kling, Veo, and Runway. Let's jump in and take a look. Alright, we're in. As you can see, the interface is clean, modern, and incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is enter an idea, keyword, topic, or prompt. That's it. For this demo, I'm going to use the prompt, "The Frozen Miracle of the Woman Beneath the Ice." Let's click Generate. And just like that, the AI gets to work. It starts by researching the topic and gathering the information needed for the video. Then it writes a complete script based on the prompt. Next, it creates the scenes and maps out the visual flow of the story. Now the AI begins generating the scenes, bringing each part of the story to life with unique visuals. As the scenes are generated, you can actually watch the story start to take shape right before your eyes. Once all the scenes are ready, the AI animates them into video clips. After that, it generates a natural voiceover, adds background music, and prepares everything for the final render. You can even watch the live preview while everything is being generated. Now let's head over to My Projects and take a look at the finished result. And there it is, a complete long-form AI video generated from a single prompt. From a simple idea to a fully produced video, the AI handled the entire process automatically.
Breathe. It's so cold it hurts. I remember what it feels like to be warm. Sitting on the beach in Positano, right? I spent the day with beautiful friends, doing the best thing on earth. We can do one more minute.
No endless clip generation, no monthly fees or credit purchases, no multiple subscriptions. So go ahead, say goodbye to boring 5-second AI clips, and say hello to long-form AI video creation.
Now let's see
Introducing
about this product.
AI Long Video Creator, a breakthrough AI video platform that finally generates full-length cinematic videos from a single prompt. That gives you long-form video generation, multiple elite video models in one place, voiceovers, captions and music built in, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI tool. This is your complete AI video command center. Here's what happens after you activate AI Long Video Creator. You log in, you type what you want, you pick your style, faceless YouTube, ad, reel, explainer, story, and instantly the AI generates a full cinematic video faceless YouTube videos, product ads, reels, story videos, explainers in minutes, which means no more 5-second clips, no more stitching scenes by hand, no more paying for multiple subscriptions, just full videos ready to post. And here's where it gets even better. These models aren't just fast, they're smart, built for smooth scene consistency, cinematic motion, realistic detail. So your videos don't just come faster, they come out better quality, better watch time, better conversions. Plus, every video comes with AI voiceover and auto subtitles built in. So, they're ready to publish the moment they're generated. And yes, it's beginner-friendly, no editing skills needed, no timeline, no transitions, no software to learn. If you can type, you can create cinematic videos. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to access this level of video power, you'd be paying every single month, 3 different subscriptions, plus editors, plus voiceover artists, easily $1,000 per year. But today, you don't have to. With AI Long Video Creator, you get everything with a simple one-time payment, no subscriptions, no recurring fees, no clip limits, just activate it once, and it's yours for life. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, generate videos. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So, now the decision is yours. Do you keep wrestling with 5-second clips and 3 monthly subscriptions? Or do you unlock the full power of long-form AI video in one place? If you're ready to, generate full cinematic videos instantly, replace 3 separate video tools, save $1,000 per year, build a faceless YouTube channel, land paying clients with done-in-minutes videos, and finally use AI video at its full potential, then click the button below. Activate AI Long Video Creator and unlock the most powerful video system available today. No limits, no 5-second clips, no subscriptions, just powerful AI video working for you. Your move starts now.
Who is this for? I think AI Long Video Creator is best suited for YouTubers, affiliate marketers, content creators, coaches, online educators, agencies, freelancers, small business owners, anyone who wants to publish more video content while spending less time editing. Pros and cons pros. Easy to use, saves a huge amount of editing time. AI creates scripts automatically, includes voiceovers and subtitles. Beginner-friendly, suitable for multiple niches. Potentially reduces software costs by combining several tools into one platform. Cons: no software is perfect. Here are a few things to keep in mind. AI-generated content may still need manual editing for the best quality. Results depend on the prompts you provide. Some premium features may be available only through upgrades. As with any AI tool, expectations should be realistic. It's designed to speed up production, not completely replace human creativity. Pricing and OTOs. The front-end version is priced affordably, making it accessible for beginners. There are also several optional upgrades that unlock additional features, higher usage limits, automation tools, and commercial capabilities. My recommendation is to start with the front end first. If you find yourself using it regularly, then consider upgrading based on your needs. My honest verdict. So, is AI long video creator worth buying? If you're someone who regularly creates YouTube videos, educational content, marketing videos, or client projects, this software could help you produce content much faster. However, I still recommend reviewing and polishing the AI-generated output before publishing, since human editing often improves quality and originality. Overall, AI Long Video Creator appears to be a useful productivity tool for creators who want to save time and scale their content creation workflow. As with any software, your results will depend on how you use it and the quality of your inputs. If you'd like to grab AI Long Video Creator along with my exclusive bonuses, check out the first link in the description below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my latest AI software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.